Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to design a Beehive newsletter in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this quick guide has got you covered. Let's dive in. First, head over to Beehive's website. It's always a good idea to bookmark it for easy access later. Once you're in the home page, look for the login button. Click on that and make the things even easier. You can sign in with Google. Just select the option and it will guide you through the familiar Google sign in. Now that you're logged in, hand over to the post section. This is where all the magic happens. Look for the post tab in the top menu. In the post section, you'll see a list of your newsletters. Choose the one you want to design today. Once you select, you'll unlock a lot of customization options. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice three small dots. These are gateway to more options. Click on them and select edit to enter the editing mode. Now that you're editing mode, you'll see a panel full of tools to help you craft your perfect newsletter. To start the real design process, head to the top right and click the newsletter builder icon. This will open panel with all the tools you need. The left side panel is where you all make your newsletter truly yours. From colors and font to layout and images, you can customize it all to fit your style. Once you're happy with your design, make sure to save your work. Work for the Save Changes button, usually at the button or top of the panel, and click it to make sure your work is securely saved. And there you have it. You have just designed your Beehive newsletter in just minutes. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you explore Beehive's features, the more polished your newsletters will become. Thanks for watching.